Hello guys, the iOS 16 public beta has finally been released. So in this video I will show you how you can download and install iOS 16 public beta for free without computer in any supported iPhone. You can see all the supported devices for iOS 16 on your screen right now. All these are supported devices for iOS 16. If your device is one of these, you can install iOS 16 public beta that I am going to show you right now. You can test the iOS 16 and its latest features before the rest of the world gets their hands on by installing iOS 16. It's just a simple installation process, but before you proceed, keep in mind that your device might start working as it's not supposed to. Some of the apps might not work because of the compatibility issues, or they can just crash on iOS 16 public beta. But do not worry. The next video is coming out to downgrade iOS 16 public beta back to iOS 15 without losing data, along with restoring backup from upper iOS version to lower. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can watch that video as well. As you know, last month Apple released iOS 16 developer beta. So in case you are running iOS 16 developer beta, or previously when iOS 15 beta came out and you installed that iOS 15 beta, that beta profile will still be in your device, so you first need to delete that profile. For that, go into the settings, then in general, scroll down. If you are on iOS 15 version, you will see the profile right under the VPN section. And if you are running iOS 16 developer beta, you need to go inside this, and here you will find iOS 16 developer beta profile. Tap on it and remove it from your device. You do not need to restart your device after it. Now open the Safari browser. Do not use any other browser for this method to download iOS 16 public beta. Go to this official website beta.apple.com. As you can see, it states Apple Beta Software Program. You will also get this link below in this video's description. Once you are on this screen, scroll down and tap on the sign up button. You can sign up using the iCloud account already signed on your device. Once you tap on the sign up, it will ask you to put in the password or Face ID or Touch ID to authenticate your iCloud account. Guys, it's completely safe because it's Apple's official website. You can sign in with your main Apple account. After you are logged on, you will be redirected to this guide for public beta page. Here you can see that iOS is by default selected to install on the iPhone. But if you are installing iPadOS or tvOS beta, then select the other sections. I am installing iOS 16 public beta on my iPhone, so I am not changing anything. After you have selected the Preference section, scroll down. Here you will see the Get Started section. In this paragraph, there is a link to enroll your iOS device. Tap on this link, then on the next page, you will enroll your device to install iOS 16 public beta. As you can see, they have mentioned to archive a backup. It is recommended that you take complete backup of your device before you install iOS 16 public beta, so you avoid any losses which probably are not likely to happen. Let me just quickly show you how you can quickly make a backup of your device. Go to the settings, tap on iCloud name section at the top. Then go into the iCloud. If you scroll down a little, you will find iCloud backup. Tap on it. On the next page, tap on Backup Now button. It will start taking complete backup of your device. I am just cancelling it. Data loss is not likely to happen, but it could, as it's a beta yet. So it's better in any case to take a complete backup before you install any beta. Go back to the Safari browser. If you scroll down a little more, you see a section to install a profile. Tap on Download Profile button, then on the Allow button in the pop-up. A profile will be downloaded in your device's settings. Now again, go back to the settings. On the main settings page at the top, you will find a section named Profile Downloaded. Tap on it. It's iOS 16 public beta profile. Tap on the Install button at the top. In case it asks you for your passcode, put in the passcode. Then again tap on the install button. Again on the start button. The profile will be installed on your device. Once the iOS 16 public beta profile is installed, you will be asked to restart your device. It is recommended that you restart your device right now. Keep in mind, you only need to install a beta profile once to get all the next upcoming public betas for iOS 16. Every time a new version of iOS 16 public beta comes out, that will automatically populate inside software update because the beta profile is installed on your device. Now you can download and install the iOS 16 public beta on your device. For that, go into the software update in the settings. After checking for the updates, you will see the latest iOS 16 public beta to download and install. In case you do not see that here, you need to restart your device. This is why I recommended that you restart your device once the profile was installed. In my case, the device I am recording the video on is not supported for iOS 16, that's why it's not showing here. In your case, before you tap on the download and install button, make sure you have at least 5 to 6 gigs of storage available on your device as it's a big file. And also make sure you have enough charging on your device and it's connected to the Wi-Fi to download iOS 16 public beta. It's a huge file guys and will take some time to download in your device. If you have a good internet connection, it won't take too long. This is how to install iOS 16 public beta on your iPhone or iPad. As I mentioned earlier, not every application will work because all the apps developers haven't updated their apps to the iOS 16 yet. Moreover, on your home screen you will see an extra icon named Feedback, which you can use to report bugs you find in iOS 16 beta program directly to the Apple. You might face many issues in your device having the beta installed. You can report them directly to the Apple. Also, you can downgrade iOS 16 public beta back to iOS 15. The next video I am uploading is about downgrading iOS 16 public beta back to iOS 15. So make sure you hit the subscribe button now to get the notification for the downgrade video. I will also update that downgrading video link in this video description as well. You can check this video's description when you are watching this video. Thank you for watching.